Hey friends, if you wish to fix kernel data in page error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the main reason behind it. Windows is not detecting the memory module properly. Maybe the RAM module is not seated properly or the connections are loose. So make sure that you reseat the memory module, the RAM module properly on your system. And if you cannot do it, then ask a hardware technician to complete the job. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. And what does this tool do? This tool checks for issues with RAM on your system and fixes them if possible. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Now click on restart now and check for problems, and it will start checking the RAM. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Then press Y and then hit enter once again. The next solution is to unplug unnecessary peripherals on your computer. For example, peripherals like printers, scanners, etc. impact your computer in the sense that they push their own drivers, and there may be drivers in the system itself, and this conflict between the drivers being pushed by the printer, scanner, camera, etc., and the drivers which already exist on your system for these devices, when a conflict happens, it causes the kernel data in page error. So unplug the peripherals to isolate the cause and then restart your computer. The last solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Then click on yes to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.